DNA. Am I supposed to request for DNA? No. She's supposed to request for DNA with her beg. Her beg, oh, tell her make can't do DNA, oh, make it approve am, oh. But because of I do listen to people are calling me do DNA, oh. I say okay, because I have rejected the children when I saw everything playing. And I requested for DNA simple, thinking she will even be happy to say, she want to do. So when I see that she was not forthcoming, I decided not to do it, and I go to Nigeria, I write my will. I said to the will, when I am no more or when they feel like doing it, that is when I'll call them my children. Simple. Case supposed to cross there. I'm not supposed to request. But when I still came from Nigeria, returned from Nigeria, people were still talking to me. I now send her a message that she received from WhatsApp. She will, after she insult me, she will block me. But if she want me to respond to her when she's begging, she will unblock me. She unblocked me. It may be till now. I don't want to send her a message, but I just, because of God, so that she will not say she did not receive it, I sent her a message on WhatsApp. Come out for DNA. I sent her a message where she normally receive my message from all her shower people. Come out for DNA. But instead, she refused. Then I now went on. Rose did not avail her address. Rose did not respond to anything. So I have no place to go and get her and let her do it, which I will not force her. But instead, I was still like missing my way. I'm not supposed. I went to my lawyer. The money charge is not an issue. I was charged 3,000 plus euro. If that one is not up to 7,000 in Nigeria, 7 million. But I don't care. I paid half. Then in the process, the children name are registered in my house here. Rose that should be ashamed, sleeping with somebody and everywhere in the world, that should be ashamed. I want to know the father. In the process, they now remove the children's name, twins' name from this address. Just last month, 11th. We are in April. 11th March, the children's address were removed from here. That means you still doing it that I am not the father. But for removing the children's, the only thing she has not removed now, because she needs paper, she did not remove my name from their passport. She did not disconnect me with them to say I'm not the father officially, except on Facebook. So because she knows she went and said I'm no more the father, they will withdraw all those passports and they will kick her back to Nigeria. She did not say that to the government, but she removed the children March 11 from this address. That is enough for me to say, okay, she have actually said I'm not the father. Let me withdraw my DNA and the money I have paid so far. I know they will not return it. But I still went ahead and start proving point. I'm not the one to prove point. She's the one to prove point that she's the mother of those children, because she is not her egg they use. That's why the children can never look like her. She is not her egg they use. So even though they use my sperm, they did not use her egg. And I'm not too sure if they use my sperm again. So instead of me to just pick, offense, say they have removed children's name from my address, I didn't tell public because I'm no man, I don't need them. But I was like, I lost my senses. That is the moment I should stop. Until my lawyer now wrote me that she is ready with what I posted online. Then Rose has kept on putting more allegations on my head so that police will take her into hiding so that nobody will see her. They removed my children's address from here. They now put it secret. You can't search them. You search them, you can't see them. Good and fine. Then the place she was before, asylum, therapy, you see the address there. They now remove Rose from there, go and hide Rose. That even when my lawyer contact those people, they make my lawyer to understand that they cannot avail her address based on she's in danger. So, if they did not avail the address of Rose where we can serve her, and she saw the run, she removed children's name from this address. Am I searching for those children? I've already disowned them. I was just praising people. So I'm not searching for them. So Rose is on the run. She make her address hidden. She removed children's address here March 11th. That chapter closed. The only thing she's not removing now, because she cannot remove my name from the children, they will deport her. She will become a bastard, and the children, they will throw them out. So she's still holding my name of those children to get paper, and they are going to give her paper soon because she's using my paper to get paper. So you people still want me, then I will still pay more money, say, search for that, contact this organization, be looking for children as if I want to use these children to do something. No. So I just sat down and say, look, woman when he commit atrocity, when he go come and say he want do DNA, she's on the run, she's in hiding. She keep on telling the police she's in danger in my hands. So they put her, they remove her from asylum house. They put her to secret place, where even lawyer go meet police. Police will not disclose it. No law will disclose it. No law. No law will say because you are a lawyer. Lawyer say, even saying a lawyer, he write to police, write anybody. So long she proves that she need protection, she's in danger, they cannot avail the address. So why am I looking for them to spend 3,000? I have paid half, 3,000 euro. Why am I spending 1 cent at all? That was because I lost my sense of reasoning at that particular time. Why should I spend 1 naira at all? I have no reason to spend 1 naira, and I have no reason to be looking for children. Since last year, this year, Rose has not approved DNA, even though I'm the one to spend the money. And if she agreed DNA, I am not supposed to pay up to 1,000, maybe between 300 or less. That is what I will pay to do DNA. So I still undermine the fact that she makes me to start spending more money upon her. She try to ruin my money, my resources down. I'm not supposed to spend money. Now she's supposed to spend money and start begging me, say, oh yeah, come out, oh, I want to do DNA. Very shameless woman and the followers. Excuse me. So, I come to my right senses. I begin reasoning. What thing I need from them? Why am I wasting my time and my money? The woman that's supposed to be chasing me around, say, tell this man may come outside. Now me come they chase them around. Why? Now me give una paper. Now me make una dey Netherlands. Now me they spend pools. Now me they look for children. To take do what? Now my good spirit come into my head. I say, am I normal? Because I'm listening to people. I am not supposed to request for DNA. Because even though I want to deal with them, I don't want to deal with them again. Why? If I want to deal with them, I will request for this DNA by force, because not be Rose born those children. Now, not be her egg. So if the father not be her egg, it's a scam. They will still deport her. Why the children will be here? But I just look at to hell with her. If my paper is a problem, staying abroad is a problem, lying against me is a problem, fucking around is a freedom with old woman again. Not be small picking that they say they fuck around those days. So I just think I have paid 1,500 deposit, 90 euro extra for wanting in court if she decline. Lawyer just dey write that one according to what is written there. He still they say one user try, he must still write and whether it will come out easily. Then make lawyer write that thing, say if you decline, we will go to court, we will do this, we will do that. It's just their normal way, they will fair write you. But I've already paid 1,500 to balance 1,590 or almost 1,600 to balance 1,600. That is 90 euro apart. I can't sit down. Who are they spend for? For what? What am I searching for? I want to buy myself because of fans. Now fans make me the do. You go do DNA. Even family, they say do DNA. I don't already disown them. And I have put it in my will that even me, I'm not accepting DNA again. But if I know they're alive, if these children come, they must do DNA. Otherwise, if I dey alive and I have change of mind before I can call them my children, they will do DNA. I'm not supposed to spend 1 naira. I'm supposed to sit down and wait, depending on where they will come say na DNA carry them come. That is why this same week on Tuesday, yes, on Tuesday, I communicated the lawyer. I said, you need to stop. So we start to argue. He said, I don't already give her consent, permission to go on. He can't stop. Lawyer, now by force to say, you know, will stop. He said, if he stop, I will still pay money. I say, na lie. If I stop, I know certain money I will pay. I cannot pay 3,000. So when we start to talk, you know, they speak deep, they talk. Now I tell them, say, hold on. My social worker, contact person for me is coming today. When you come, make you with the debate and make I dey hear. So actually, we both they cheat us when they know, because they know we not be able. When my contact person came, a social worker today, that lawyer no fit shout, no fit talk the way. Just the man just they give and still and say yes, if he has right to cancel it, since it's stressing him and this and that. So he's only going to pay you your charges of the letter and whatever you have sent to Rose. So he now said, if that is the case, he still I still need to pay 340 something euro, almost 350. That is for what she has done so far, since we have not entered court and not do all that things and whatever. So that was the agreement. They now say I should write. I wrote email to forward to her to say I have requested for the cancellation, which I did. So you know these people, they might want to refund you money. It might take time. Might be this time, 3 months time, they not refund you. Might be quickly they refund you after some days or weeks. So I just feel for those people at Proco and my good fans that are expecting, that are still saying it under comment every day, out of DNA, I will not keep them in the dark, because they some of them really actually love me. That is why I posted that. I did not post it for a Proco people, for a shower group of company of Rose. I posted it, but some people still come under. Their papa na useless man. Their papa not dey stable. You cancel this thing. Shey na your DNA. Na your DNA. Am I looking for children? Not be my DNA. Even though it's difficult or not difficult self, I still have right to cancel it if I feel I don't need the stress. But now, Rose that's supposed to be stressing me for DNA, I am not stressing. We are not looking for Rose. Rose is now on the run. Rose is no more in therapy, asylum seeker. Rose is now in a hidden place, placing more dangerous allegation on me so that they will keep on hiding her. To an extent, they have removed the children's address from my address. The children's address has been on my address the last month, March 11. They remove it on the March 11. They show me in the system that to the extent they have withdrawn. Whether anything say as the children, this thing still there here, maybe they will, it's easy to connect them, say, come to your address. I don't know. The children address is no more here. Rose is on the run. Rose, Ashawo, he carry children come for us. I not be Rose get the pikin. If anybody will even get pikin, safe is mistake. Now only me go get those pikin. Rose did not use her egg to get those pikin from IVF. And it's confirmed. That is what I said she should come and do, that she's running. I say, if we are doing two tests, DNA tests. One now for me and the children. One now for you and the children. Rose, run. She's on the run. Rose is on the run. I am not the one on the run. Rose is on the run. And I can't be, even lawyer can't pursue her. Police refuse to reveal the where they will even serve her. May they even give police. May police know as you want to serve her, bring her anywhere. Police not agree. So you want to make I see they pay 3,000 and they look for babies will not be my own. But if I wanted to deal with her, I know the case according to lawyer when I go do, they will bring them out, but that will not be DNA again, which I will not talk. I know what we will pronouncing she's on the run. They will withdraw their paper, put it on hold. All of them will come outside to come meet me. What I want you to do? I was not looking for you people to come to my address. I wanted to please my family and some of my fans. And I can't please anybody and be stressed. I am looking good. I am fine from in and out. I have been working just two days, except last week. That is because I still needed rest. I'm not searching for money. I'm not pursuing money this time. So if they did my house, or if we are connected, I will be forced to work. I'm not looking for children. These are not my first child, second child, third child. They are not. Yes. I stopped it. It was stopped today. The man was sitting here. So, una when mumu, make una meet una Rose. Tell her, say, why are you on the run? Not me. Why did you refuse DNA? Not me. I cancel it because I need my money back since we cannot serve her. Since she's nowhere to be found. Since if she put the allegation that she can't come out, she's in danger. I am not vampire. That is why I stopped it today. Yes, I stopped it today. I'm to get about even with the expensive what they quote for me, I'm to get about 900 back instead of about 1,150. I'm to get about 900 back or 800. I'm to get 825 euro back, not even 900. I still wasted almost 700. Almost 700 still gone according to what she's calculating. She will take 350 series something for this. She will take 90 euro for that. She will do this, do plus and minus finish. I'll get 825 euro back. The money isn't the problem, but the money became the problem when I begin to think, say, am I supposed to be spending? Why am I looking for them? Rose is supposed to be the one chatting online now. Say, tell that man, some Mumu people who remember Rose saying Rich Hospital. It is in Nigeria. He say in day hospital. When a hospital, he just the same in want go do DNA. When he come see my video, I say no be me get children. As if she did Nigeria. Person when he say go hospital before he see my video. So you know they see my video since they run. Oh, now you know where they pursue you, but when you now go wrong, come in the future, it's already too late for now. Yes. So Mumu people, some Mumu people, Rose Mumu people. Now here now say Una Shawo Rose is on the run. Because she cannot be owner of those children in any way. She go lose woefully. Not be she get egg when they born. And then they do that and if not be you get egg, you are still in trouble. It's a scam because you didn't tell me you are not the owner of the egg. So some Mumu people when they talk say I am not stable because I cancel it. May you go continue from where I stop. Yes, go help me continue from where I stop. So when you now see Rose and her address, call me. And let me tell you, I don't have any reason to do DNA. Hey, what do I want to use them do? I don't get any reason. She's a shameless human being. An Igbo woman called Uche. Uche say, na touch her, in they play with her, in no fuck her. A very useless woman when they shout when you don't get brain. When they put it to for hand, they share and they go. Shame and fear not let you come do DNA. To just know. It's possible they are my children. What does that mean? But because of the atrocity, what you do, you not take care of yourself. You're on the wrong. Which normal human being go there on the wrong? You are sleeping with a man in my own house. You sleep with my drivers in Nigeria. Nobody when you not fit sleep with. But you say na me get pikin. You dey sure? Why you dey fear? I no even accuse you because you lie, say na the day when I come, blah blah blah. Still, we just want to do it. Because you hear say they go do your own journal. Now you dey wrong. So those of now who don't know say na she dey run, she has never permitted me till now. She is the one on the run. No. Rose did not take, Rose run. Whether na DNA make her run, they tell police say they danger, make them for not reach her. He run, Rose not there for therapy again, therapy, asylum. The police put her for hidden place. When be say even in my mama one consent, police may not agree. Make una ask her wetin dey pursue her. Na only social media they come out there. And I no want deal with her. If I want deal with her, I'll show police. Person want to say hide. Now he did this social media every time now. Now so they take they hide. Now so they take they hide. I just don't want to stress. I don't just want to stress. I don't need stress. I've stressed for 7 years. If I want to stress, Rose, the phone where you take the call, then they track am, make I tell you, say I get brain, but I decided not to stress for your matter. I have stressed for 7 years. Rose, the 3 phones when you hold for, including my own when you thief, then they track am. Now me just think and say, why should I stress about it? 3,000? For what? Am I the one to prove point? Am I the one that said not being get picky? Not be when they say my penny is not the work and no woman want marry me to try. Not be I go say, okay, I know say na me born those children, let me prove the word wrong. Rose, as you mumurish, wait, make I still show you something. This is my phone you stole. I bought it 1,200 euro. Galaxy Z Flip 6. I bought it 1,200 euro. When you look at here, email, they call it email or iMail or whatever they call it. Here they call it email. The email, if I need you, to the extent in the room you are staying, they will track it. Then your 2 phones that you left with here, you brought them from Nigeria, and your tablet, about 2. I still have them. When I go Nigeria, I bought the carton when they buy the tablet, everything there. They go track you like this. They will give you that paper. And if I have pushed harder with the police, fair go court. This court one will never go. We will go court. Make I tell you, see, I mean, I decide to stop not to stress. Don't know why I should stress. I am dancing, eating every day. I don't think about you and your children. And I will never think about it. But trying to adhere to my people's request, I almost wanted to be stressing 3,000 euro. So this now, we will go to court if I want to continue, and I will never continue for anybody. I'm not preaching anybody. When I am preaching that be yourself, I have to show example of being myself. Myself say I should abandon you people. Even though I have wasted up to 700 euro. So if I need you, Rose, police too small. Police, they obey court in this country. So if I need you now, just that you are stressing me, you are not supposed to be begging for a DNA. That's why I want to stop. I would have given the lawyer ahead to go to court since they cannot serve you so long you are still in this country. Then they will go to court. Court will now request the police to review the work. The only thing court will not do for me and police will not do for me, listen. They will not send me any letter that have to do with your name. If you look at the letter I posted, they put your address. So now, if they now go to court, court will not say, yes, you are still under hiding, that they know any condition that they should reveal your address to me. They should not address your letter to me. And if they want to address the letter to me, they should not put your address. They can only address that between you and so person, that this is what we sent to her, this is what we sent to court. They will not put your address. Police will fetch you. Even that day self, I will see you. Police will follow you. And the social worker, Children's Safety International, will be the one to roll those children, not you. You will not come close to me. They will roll the children. And if they don't want you to see me, they don't want me to see you, they will bring the children, they will be hiding you inside police vehicle, while this social worker will roll the children to where they are doing the DNA. You have no voice. Then when they finish again, they will not take you again. Sometimes they will cover your eye, like say, make I not see your eye. They will take you again. They will say they want to do your own and the children that same day. I will not see your face. The same police will put you inside car, and the children, social worker, everybody will disappear. I know the system, but I can't think. I was even happy you are not responding. No. I start out of shame. I start out of respect. I start because I want to please people. I was regretting it. When the thing becomes to the fumble, I say, no, I need to stop. Even though you want to take the 1,005, let's cancel it. And it's cancelled. It's cancelled. So you can't hide forever to say, I get what I want to take you do. And you should be ashamed of yourself that you dey run, but now my paper you take this country. You dey run, and my document that will give you before 3 months time. You now see and say, you come, they say, thank you, Jesus, Adegboye, thank you, God of Emina, thank you. And she will let you come, they dance if they give you my paper. You are with my phone, 1,200 euro. You are with my card, bank ATM card. You are a thief. You are a thief. You should be the one to be ashamed. You and your followers, when they carry pikin, give another man when not get pikin. Because all your followers, when they support you in comment section, their children not be their husband, get time. And you have joined the club. You are even their president. Am I searching for children? If I don't want born in Europe. I don't want born in Europe. If I go to Nigeria and I thought, say, now pikin be my problem. As you short like dwarf when you not tall reach me, when me see top as you. Now shoot then take the marry, now high heat then take the tall. You are a short woman, and I'm taller than you. Waiting my hand not the reach for kitchen. Your hand not the reach, and we not the feel help each other. If I want marry, now tall woman will marry. He go height past me like this. So if I born before 5 years, my pikin go be like say. If it's 5 years, you go think say na 12 years in be. And if I want born make my palace full, I can decide to marry 3 women at the same time. I will carry them go IVF when you go, or any other one. Make 3 of them born 3, not be 2. Make them born full house like chicken. They go born 1 time 9. What I want you speaking do? They go they cry different voice. They jump around everywhere. So your children not even be my priority. They are not first, they are not second. And I will never take such advice for anybody. Many people calling me, do DNA. I first tell my family, say, wait till I want to use DNA do. I don't disown them. Now they will come back for DNA, not be me. If this government sit or say, as they remove my children name for here, if time reach for you, then for me to sign anything for you and your children, make them sign by themselves. Now that time I go see Pepe. If una like make them sign for now to go Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned, they are not my children. So let them sign for now to go Nigeria. It's none of my problem. They are not going to add to my problem. They are not going to subtract from my problem. They are not going to make me rich, and they will never make me poor. If they in my life, they out of my life cannot bring me down, cannot take me up. I will be going up higher the way I have been going up higher. So, mumu followers to Rose. Now, una mama be that. Una not get another one. Now, she dey on the run. Now, she not trust herself. Now, she dey run, they go. E don run comot for where dem suppose see am easily. Tell police say e dey danger. E still dey danger. E dey dance, dey drink for online. E dey danger, dey do 419 with my human right. That danger go kpai you. Now you go carry your leg run kpai for road. As you dey lie against me, see the lie dey go. That lie na e go kpai your head. They will weep upon your life. As you still say you dey asylum with my name, spoil my name, take the asylum, e no do you. You see they add more. No, nobody's coming here to ask me. No fucking body, not even police. When I tell police I want to give my statement because you lie against me, you say I wanted to buy you, police talk say shebi na talk you talk. Whether they come meet me talk say na truth. I say no, I still want to do counter statements. They say make I no worry. Say that say when he talk, they write am down. Say whether anybody believe am. Say if they believe am, therefore they do investigation. They write say kind underzook, no investigation. Now they write for your statements. When you tell police say protect you, you lie. They will protect you. Doesn't mean they believe what you are saying. They know it's a game. They do it for everybody. If I talk this evening now, make I just go online and call police, say one of my tenants threatening me. Fear no, let me stay here again. Police will carry me when I get house, go safety center. I will from there. Even though I tell them say I want from there go work, they go accept. If I say I don't want to work again, maybe the person will catch me for road. They will feed me. They can do it for anybody. That is also why they keep us for asylum when we say we're not this safe for our country. So it's a normal thing. It's a normal rules and regulation that they will not disclose your address. You are not a queen. You are not being honored with that. So don't feel like, yeah, they give me big house. They're not letting anybody see me. Now you, lowliness will buy. You go the regret now, see if I know. You cannot go out anyhow. If at all, you will even go out at all. So the day you will come tell them, say you can go out now. Now that day I will tell the police, say I not be criminal again. So I don't want to buy am again. It don't expire. You go hide forever. You're on the run. You are running from DNA. The fear of DNA is the beginning of wisdom. Rosameh. Have a wonderful evening, my people. I want a proko. Not be me they run. I have no reason to run. I paid. I don't need to be like Dangote. But know where I did when I know we'll get to 100 euro for my pocket. God won't bless me. I not biological kokoro. I am blessed. I know they talk and hide. I never start work. But if I still check my purse now, I'll still get to 200 euro. And I they use my card till they buy something. I'll say in case of emergency. I'll still get to 200 euro. I no want send them. Oh, if they my pocket here say in case of emergency. Because sometimes my purse, as it is big like this, sometimes I don't remember carrying. Sometimes I remember carrying. Then sometimes, because my purse big, I will remove the card like this. I will put them for my phone. I will put them for my phone like this. Sometimes I will put them for my pocket. So if I reach where I see better thing, mostly clothes, I want buy. I will forget say I remember say this my purse because it's big. I no carry am today. Yeah, it will pay me. So sometimes I will remember say I carry purse. My card not dey inside because the day when I no carry purse, I will put my card maybe inside pocket, take go work. So now because I've experienced that, money no dey cease for my house, for my pocket. Guess what? Inside my motor, because this thing happened to me sometime, my phone won't finish. I no carry purse. And I no carry 1 cent. So inside my motor now, where nobody feel reach, €50 get where I hide them. Na so I hide money some places. Even when I dey use bicycle, the bag when I dey hand for bicycle, one small bag when be say na tools dey inside. E get where anyhow I must hide €10 inside, tie am with nylon. Nobody go know. The day I no carry anything, I wan buy something, I go bring money come outside. I'm enjoying myself. I no even need yeah. Na me go dey born on old age. Make pikin dey disturb me. So I don't need stress. Stress free. I don't need it. Now you dey wrong. Now you be shameless human being. Now you come for culture when they not dey shame. Now you get friends when they not dey shame. Like the Madali Ezekiel, a shower woman when they for UK. Now only you surrounded by shameless people when they born pikin, they give another man. Don't tell the world, say now you get egg when you take born those pikin, and you not tell me. Okay, I stop this fucking video, play my music. This is tonight. I go dance like 30 minutes, enjoy my life. Something when not supposed to stress you. If it's stressing you, go and relax, drink water, think. Stop that nonsense. If to say not be hypocrites they for social media and not they do something because of them, am I the one that's supposed to be searching for the DNA? She's supposed to they make video, they insult me, say talk to that man, no make come outside. Do you know when I did Nigeria, I say make I come, it is I no come abroad. They say make I come abroad, make we do everything, make I sign, make I do this. He was making noise from police phone. I just enter abroad, I just send message to her. I even say I don't forgive her, say, what I even say forgive her that day. I want sign for her. The Nigeria won't say one go, he come outside. Person when he get belay, they ask me, say, whether visa no let her take work for abroad. Now that day I know say na hungry woman say he run come abroad. Not be joke. He say whether her visa she not fit use and work. I say work. He say no after she give birth, not be now. She was not ready to go. A woman who stole 300. Waiting make her come up for human rights organization when he did before. When I for meet her. When they use her office. She stole 300,000. And the man that donated it, I will call her name in another if she can boldly come outside and say no. And the man when he get that human rights, when he for run come out see 300,000, I will see calling it na innocent Agbo. He's a Benue man. Rose steal 300,000 from that man. How it happen? We did ask for donation to do something. They can't send Rose and one other person go there. The man can't say he don't want transfer money, na cash he want give me Rose come. Rose can't take and Rose can't deny say the man not bring anything. They can't meet the man say he give Rose 300,000. Now all of us, they pack all of us, say mo go meet the man. Shame, as that woman big so. Shame, oh, shameless woman. I don't want to call the man yet, but I'll call her when time reach. For Ikeja there, na big man, he get snooker, he get gamble business. Tall, huge black man. All of us, the innocent Agbo, everybody go there. Because of the shame, say who give you 300,000 to give to Agbo, he not go fit deny. Nairo says Agbo they owe exactly 300,000 when he borrow am. Now make can't seize this one. Seizing and stealing, are they the same? So now that they are not saying are very shameless. That is what happened. Then the man now went and arrest Rose in area F, Nami Bailan. 10:30 in the night, police still now agree. They want put him for sale. The man did there. With my position, and I don't leave him. I can't release Rose. I give them whether 50,000 that night. Because they want suffer and may sleep for sale, make them charge them to court. I gave them 50,000. They now release Rose. She stole 300,000 from the previous organization and deny it. Even the donor is alive. The donor dey the same Ikeja with all of us. You now lie, say you not collect. The man not give you anything. I beg you. I don't care about what you people are saying. No, I just feel she's no longer necessary in my life, in my doings, in my daily activity. That's why I stop. I not stop because of anybody, and nothing will make me go back on the top. I talk for her to leave the marriage completely. That's why I was talking. I was not talking because I was out of my mind. I talk what you call nonsense and not nonsense because I want a situation by shame not will let her come close to my life. And that is exactly where we are now. Have a nice day. Who say I get my dog, baby? I don't already move on. No, don't be say joke. Whether you are for me or you are not for me, this your comment. I will respond to it. I have them. Yes, a house that children have stayed before. Now that chair they always they stay. I bought that chair because of them. I have replaced them, whether spiritual or physically, because I replaced them. I don't want to be seeing them in the dream. So I have replaced them. Anyhow you see, I'm a spiritualist. I know what I want. I don't want to be seeing them in the dream. The girl always come to me in the dream. This girl always come to me in the dream. Since the boy come out, idiot boy, maybe resemble him, mama, I never see him face one day. Right from the day when they born them. Right from the day when they born them, this one, the girl, they come to me in the dream. So I have to replace them. I'm done with them. I'm done and dusted with them. The DNA was not to bring them in case you don't know. The DNA was for people. Because I don't know why in the first case I want to do DNA. Somebody already know she's a harlot. So it's left for the children to say, why are we not here? Why are we not there? Then they will take care of their DNA when they grow. But as for me and the woman coming together to do DNA, was not even part of my plan. But as some good fans, they say, and my family is still behind it, good and fine. But thank God I don't want to stress. Since I did not get it easily, I won't stress. It's not free. It's 3,000 euro to go to court, to do this, to do that. It was never free. So me not being free and being stressing myself, can you allow your brother to do that? The bill I say Benjamin is just coming in. I can't for your sake be repeating it. Your question is, why did you stop the process of DNA? I won't go back. Somebody say I won't go backer than this. You go and watch this video. You will know what I've explained. So I won't start repeating myself again.